Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I keep my toilet smelling good. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to click the notification bell if you have not subscribed, like and comment. Okay, let's get 3 things I do to maintain a clean smelling toilet. So the product I'll be using first is this Fabulosa. So what I have to do is to pour the Fabulosa into the sink tank, and it does everything. It smells for days. I've been using these tips for over 3 weeks now, so I decided to share the idea with you guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. The smell of this Fabulosa is amazing. You'll like it once you use it. So
somebody else.
next tip is this pine saw. I use pine saw to once I'm done washing my toilet, the brush I used to wash my toilet, I just pour the pine saw and allow it to air dry. Once it dries up, I put it back to the to where it's supposed to be, and it kind of prevents the bad odor and make the toilet to continue smelling good. Use essential oil of your choice and put it by the side of your tissue, and your toilet smell fresh all the time.